You remember the stories, right? You remember the stories all too well. For those who don't know the stories, we're gonna dive into things that all people say. My name is Christal of VC3 TV channel 114, and this series is going to be quite interesting. We're gonna dive into some Vincentian sayings that were taught to us by the old people. I don't want to say old people because but things that old people say. So let's start this first episode. Old people used to say, now make them sleepy.
Make them sleepy. Well, maybe no make nobody see when you teach something.
Huh?
When you what?
No, you can't make nobody see when you teach something.
Oh, yeah. If they see me do anything, they will talk.
Here's another one. Old people used to say, what goes around comes around.
Well, that's when they do anybody something wrong. The same thing will happen to you in the future.
What goes around comes around. It means like if you do somebody something, whether it's bad or it's good, it can come back and meet you in the future, either your children or yourself.
Facts. So beware. And finally, old people say, fall when I hear show, go ahead.
Oh!
Well, if somebody speak to you and tell you something all the time, and you're listening to them, when you get in trouble, that is it. That is it back.
Well, when you're not here, where you get your full tech.
It means if you don't pay attention, if you don't follow the instructions of your mother in terms of the right path, it means that you're gonna get yourself a little whipping. And in my case, I tell you, I got licked like a runaway slave. What? That is why I am so well behaved these days.
Okay, so those of you who don't know, please you know something else about the Vincentian culture.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this episode of All People Say. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at VC3 TV and to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also at VC3 TV. Hey, you shared it yet? Thank you so much, and bye until we meet again.